Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Ace Hardware. We're going to be looking at the Black Friday tool deals that they have. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this, make better review videos. Yeah, so they Ace Hardware, just like any other store, they do have Black Friday deals. They're just staying away from the Black Friday word. As you guys see to the left, they got you guys got a lot of yellow tags. That means they're on sale. So that's a $9.99 combo tool bag from Craftsman. It's a 13 and an 18 inch. I do have these bags. Let me tell you guys, they're pretty decent, pretty good for the price. Keep one for yourself. Give the other one away. So that's a good deal for 2 tool bags there. Got a 7-piece there for $9.99. Include all these toolkits are $9.99, just to let you guys know. It's a nice little pouch. Basically, what I use these tools for is, just for the truck. Having a small toolkit on each truck. Either some cheap tools that you can just throw around, or take to the junkyard or whatnot. So these are great just to have it like a spare. There's a $49 kit, a 63-piece. It's a nice kit. Does include the VersaStack a case, so it is compatible with the VersaStack if you guys like that. Then you got a 216-piece for $99.99. Does include the VersaStack and some drawers. So definitely check it out. $99.99 for that 6-gallon compressor. It's a pancake compressor. Then you got some DeWalt tool deals here. $14.99 for the 52-piece. You got an awesome oscillating 5-piece with the case, $34.99. So not the best deal ever on this one, because we've seen it in some other stores for $24.99. I don't know if they'll do like a price match on that. So $4.99 for the Torx bits, $9.99 for the Fat Max tape measure. This is a nice Torx bit. And then you got a 16-piece for $4.99, a tape measure for $49.99, utility knife for $4.99, some 50 blades, Stanley blades for $4.99. You got some pliers, needle nose for $4.99. Those are great little pliers, just like I said, just to have in the truck in case you want to just lend them to somebody, or just have it there for emergencies. It's a nice kit there. A 34-piece, does include some nut drivers there to the right. A magnetic tip and some longer extension tips. You got an 18-piece there for $11.99. You got the magnetic to the right. You got a few longer extension. You got the Fat Max there for $25.99 regular price, but they are not $25.99. Then you got the 3-piece DeWalt, $19.99, oscillating. Then you got the 10-piece for $9.99, basically $1 a piece, for the reciprocating saw with the nice little case. So it does include that case. Definitely check it out. If you're a DIY, this is a great little kit for you. You got a Stanley Stapler for $9.99 if you want to hang those Christmas lights outside. You got some clamps there for $9.99. And then you have that 52-piece that I was telling you guys earlier for $14.99, which is a little bit more complete kit there. A little bigger kit. So a lot of sales going on. A lot of smaller tool deal sales there. And then you got some gifts here for the wife, or for the daughter, or mom. So you got for $9.99. All these gifts are pretty good little stocking stuffers, or just as a little add-on gift, just to make it worth it. And then you got some extension cords here. So they do got a lot of extension cords. That's one thing I like about Ace, that you can have all sorts of different extension cords. And $9.99 for the countdown timer. It's a digital. So now with all the Christmas lights, you guys need to have some timers for $9.99. And then you got the Big Larry and the Pocket Light XL. These are not on sale, but they did catch my attention. $24.99 and $29.99 for 400 lumens. Look, basically they look the same, but one's a little bigger. And then you got some Craftsman toolboxes here. I was thinking of what, I guess you save $14 if you buy that. It's not really $14. Then you got a Craftsman toolbox there. Another DeWalt toolbox, Stanley. These prices were a little hard to read, so I just stayed away from those. I just got the ones that interest me the most. Like this pack out. This is definitely a great deal here, $89.99. They're on sale. So if you need to buy a pack out system for $200, you can come here. Or if you need to buy parts for it, like if you're missing the middle box or you're missing the top box, go to Ace Hardware and just pick that box. That's one thing I like about this this deal, that you can buy them separately. Like that one's $60. You can get it at the sale price, just that single item if that's what you need. Like me, I need the smaller box, which I might end up picking up. That's a nice box. I do have it. You guys missed out on our deal. We did get that pack out with the milk crate on the top for $109. It was a smoking deal. Make sure you guys stay subscribed and hit the like button, hit the bell so you guys will get all the notifications when we get those deals. That's $50. That's the one that I need. I'll probably end up just buying that and complete my kit, because I bought that kit with the milk crate and I'm missing this box here. So really good deals on these toolboxes. Definitely check them out. These boxes are worth the money. So, and that's the smaller organizer box. And then we got some clamps here for $9.99, which is the same on the other, like on the other side. The 6-inch quick grip bar. So there's a lot of good sales. You just gotta look for them. And I really like this clamp. This BC clamp, $34.99. It looks like a high quality clamp there. You can get some joints in there, like a 2x4s. It's a really nice clamp. Then you got the Stanley stapler for $9.99, which is the same as we saw on the end at the end cap. And you got some other staplers, not on sale, but you got some more staplers there. Then you got some batteries. So so these are not on sale, but I just figured show the prices for you guys and show the tags so you guys will get an idea of what they cost here. So $9.99 for that 10 piece. Like I said, a lot of this stuff we already saw at the end cap. Really great deals. And then we have that top kit with 34 piece for $9.99. It's a really nice kit. There's some more DeWalt batteries and accessories. And they got the Craftsman and the old DeWalt batteries, the XRPs. I still got an XRP tool. And then you got the 20 volt max brushless lithium compact drill driver for $99.99. I guess it's the kit. When I was reading the ad, I wasn't sure if it was the kit or not, but it looks like the kit. And then you got the impact driver for $99.99. That's the impact driver back there, the DCD787 or DCF787. Which is a basic, but it's still a brushless tool, so definitely recommend those brushless. These are brush tools. These are older tools. Definitely recommended for the DIY. $139.99 will get you a nice pair there, a nice set. Like I said, for DIY, these are perfect. So compact drill driver kit and impact driver. And that's it for today, guys. Just a quick video, just to show you guys what Ace Hardware has. I'm pretty sure they'll roll out more sales as they go on, get closer to Black Friday. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one.